Let us now summarize the contents of the three parts of the science of nature, namely mechanics, or matter, U, physics, or qualified matter, P, and organics, living qualified matter, I. Mechanics, for matter and motion, the deduction of matter, and the solar system is divided into 1. Space, time, motion, matter. 2. Finite mechanics, or relative motion, inert matter, thrust, and falling. And 3. Absolute mechanics, or absolutely free motion, gravitation, and the solar system. Physics is divided into 1. Universal individuality, the 4 qualities, the 4 elements, and meteorology, or the process of the 4 elements. 2. Particular individuality, the moment of difference where bodies get distinguished from each other by their specific gravity or density, their cohesion, sound, and heat. And 3, the total individuality, shape and magnetism, color, odor, taste, and electricity, and chemism, qua combination and dissociation. Finally, organics is divided into 1. The geological or terrestrial organism, the history, structure, and life of the earth. 2. The plant or vegetable organism, formation, assimilation, and reproduction. And finally, 3. The animal organism, shape or structure, assimilation, and the genus process, or sex relation. Organics ends with the death or negation of the mere individual and the transition and becoming of spirit, thought, and the universal. Tomorrow we will take up the first division of the science of nature, or what is the same, the becoming of spirit and the absolute truth, the one realities, self-awareness, also known as kingdom come, namely mechanics and its 3 parts: space, time, motion, matter, finite mechanics, and absolute mechanics. Thank you. See you tomorrow.